Tuna cake or tuna patties. This one is good for snacks or even for dinner. This is so awesome. Oh, look at that. Let's try this. Oh, this is delicious. And so, okay, let's start. Here we have some carrots, a carrot, a one piece red bell pepper, 3 cans of tuna, and 4 packs of sky flakes. This is a cracker that's local to us. Here, we crushed it up before opening it. This way, it serves as a breadcrumbs. And the carrots, we actually used a cheese grater to chop it off. So here we put the onions in first, and then the chopped red bell pepper for good flavor. All right. Next up is the carrots. Here, we use the cheese grater to get it all diced up like this, smooth. You can cut it with a knife, but it takes longer, so you can use a cheese grater. All right, there you go. Okay, now we mix this a bit. So, the flavors all get intertwined. It's gonna be all good. Once it's a bit mixed, we then put next the crushed sky flakes crackers. This we actually could use, and we actually use breadcrumbs, but I wanted to do sky flakes this way. The locals, like everyone in the Philippines, can do this. It's sky flakes are super cheap on every store here. So here we crushed the sky flakes. This will serve as breadcrumbs. Yes. One more. Use 4 packs of it. Alright, now we mix it. No need to salt this, as the tuna, the San Marino tuna, has its, it's a little bit salted already. Mix it good now like this. Yes. And now we add 1 egg so that it binds the whole thing together. There you go. Mix it again, so it's it gets like as if it's whisked up. They're starting to look good now. Now we have oregano. We put a bit of oregano here, dried oregano, and then some turmeric. You can add other spices if you want, like garam masala would be really good. Yes. All right. Now, you can shape it like a round ball like this with the spoon, but we plan to make it round and flat like a patty, because it'll just look like a croquette, and we've done that before. So, here it is. One of the first batch. Okay, so now let's go to the pan. We oil it up. We turn on the heat. Put substantial amount of oil. This way it doesn't stick onto the pan. It fries good. It's like semi-submerged. Now it's smoking. Yes, now it's good. And we make sure it's equally spaced. This way that it cooks well. Let's lower the heat. It's a little too hot now. Okay, the next one. Yes. You'll notice we're equally spacing it far apart from one another. This way, it all gets equally cooked. Let's get one more from the other tray. Here, so there you go. All right, and this cooks about like maybe 2 to 3 minutes each side on medium to low heat. On high heat, it might just burn up and get the insides not too well done. There, looking good. This is around a little over 2 minutes on that side, so we leave it for a bit more. And yes, my bad. I didn't get to record when we took it out, so this is the second batch. Sorry about that, but we'll show you the cooked batch. The first batch does cook a little later. Yes, now it's hot. The key to having this crispy on the outside and soft on the inside is you gotta start off with the oil hot, and then once it's all in, you slightly lower it to back down to medium. This way it cooks everything on the inside, but not too dry, not too much. One more. Yes, and one more in the center. So it's like perfectly spaced all together. All right. Yes. Okay, now let me show you the first batch. Oh, would you look at that? Yep. Exactly. When you think about it, it's actually perfect when if you want to make sliders. This is also good. Maybe you should make that tuna sliders. That's a good one. Here, yes. Then 2 more minutes on this, and then we're ready to remove it so we don't overcook it. Because technically, the tuna is already edible from the can, So we're just cooking this just to make it taste good with all the other ingredients. And then the final batch. Yes. Once again, equally spaced. There. Then 2 minutes later, we turn it. Oh, wait. There. Oh, it's perfect. So it's 2 minutes on each side. Of course, you gotta control the heat. Like if you leave it in high heat, it'll just burn quickly. Okay, now it's ready. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna serve this. Here it is. Oh yeah. Let me try. I gotta try this. Oh, the sound. And of course, you can click here for the tuna croquettes. You might like that one too. That's really good. But I gotta try this now. Oh my gosh. Gotta take a bite. Take a bite. All right. Okay, gotta. Thank you for watching this. And of course, subscribe if you haven't so that I'll see you around next time.